what they did to fuck this up. I just started, had to get it down a little lower.
Frank, what in the... Is that a damn a headstone?
Fucked up. That's fucked up. And that's fucked up.
I just did a boom boom. I just did a boom boom.
Thanks, bro. Made the skid steer feel great.
All right, mark 23 and a half. Perfect. Yep, cut that right there. Hey, what are you doing?
You told me to cut it.
The board, not the tape measure.